Hi everyone, in this tutorial we'll be quickly going over content sourcing. So when you first sign up or when you change your niche in your configuration settings, we will generate a certain amount of feeds based on your niche. So for example, my chosen niche is fitness, so I have a lot of fitness related sources. And these sources will be used to generate content for your reviews and your posts. So when it comes to your posts, we visit these feeds through the system. Our system gets all of the posts, all the titles, the descriptions, content and images, and then we create your own post on your own site using that content, as you can see in an example here. So when you first sign up, the system has a certain amount of feeds. It's usually 3 or more per niche, so everyone should always have a certain amount of feeds, as you can see here. However, we do have the ability to add our own custom feeds, and it's a two-step process, and the first part of that is validating the source feed URL. So to get this feed URL, you usually get it as an RSS XML field, and with that we can scrape all the content from it. So you can use this field up here to validate the URLs, and what that does is it ensures that the structure of the URL is correct, for example HTTP, www, etc, etc. And another reason is because some websites, they block content scrapers. So essentially they will block our website from getting the latest content for them. This is quite rare, however, and it doesn't happen all the time. It's usually a small case, like 5% of URLs that don't work. But just in case that it doesn't work, rather than you not knowing why your feed isn't there, or why content might be messed up, we simply have a validator up here. So it's a simple case of just putting your URL in, and then it will simply validate it. If it fails, then you will have to select a different URL or find out the reason why. Usually, like I said, because the website blocks crawlers. Just an example here, we'll delete our old one, add a new source, put this example in. Again here it indicates that you must use HTTP or HTTPS and ensure that it's in that format. So once you've added that, it will allow you to know that your content has been added, and the way the system generates posts is every 15 minutes on a rolling basis. So rather than regenerating all of your posts now, which would be quite intensive, especially if you're adding multiple feeds, we will rely on the cron job, where every 15 minutes it will automatically pull in all the content for these selected feeds that you've given here. Thanks.